Turning our attention now to the ASX. Here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to the Bulls and Bears Market Wrap, where we break down the latest ASX announcements from public companies that are doing interesting things. Today's Market Wrap is brought to you by Legend Mining, ASX code LEG. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now on 6PR by the Managing Director of Legend Mining, Mark Wilson. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Matt. How are you today?
Well, thanks. Well, about 300 kilometres east of Kalgoorlie, the Fraser Range had the market meerkats sitting bolt upright after Sirius Resources discovered the exceptional 11 million tonne Nova-Bollinger deposit grading 2% nickel and 0.8% copper, heralding a new nickel province for WA back in 2012. Since then, plenty of hopefuls have come and gone without success, but one company, Legend Mining, seems to be going the distance in the Fraser Range. Mark, Legend stock ran from 3 cents to about 21 cents this year on the back of your still growing Mawson's discovery, about 150 kilometres from Nova-Bollinger in the Fraser Range. What are the best drill intercepts to date at Mawson's?
The best intercepts we've got, massive nickel copper sulfides over 19.8 metres, 2.7% nickel, 1.8% copper. The best grade we've got to date is 4.5 metres at 3% nickel and 2.3% copper. Most recent hole that you're alluded to in your intro is hole 21, which we think is the most significant hole we've drilled. I call it our Sunday Times hole.
Now, I think you stepped out about 200 metres from the known mineralisation with that hole, which was a pretty bold move. What were the learnings from that last hole?
Look, I call it the Sunday Times hole because it's a bit like going to the races on Saturday with the Sunday Times in your back pocket. This 200-metre step out adds a significant footprint to the Mawson prospect. The mineralisations in intrusive rocks, geologists will tell you, question mark, are we closer to the source? This net texture, which was in hole 21, is the bulk tonnage of some big mines through the world, notably Voisey's Bay, and it's also evident down at the Nova mine. And I think fourth aspect of this hole is our geophysicist, when he references the conductance that he's seen in this core, he thinks that we haven't hit the sweet spot of this conductor yet.
Just quickly, who's behind Legend? Who are the major shareholders?
Our major shareholders are Mark Creasy, who's known as the father of the Fraser Range, and IGO, who's the operator of the Nova nickel mine. These guys really the guideposts, if you like. When they put their money into something in an area in which they're as expert as this, you should be paying attention.
Well, Mark Wilson from Legend Mining, thanks very much for joining me on the Market Wrap. And just remember, Bulls and Bears is only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney. Thanks for listening to the Bulls and Bears Market Wrap.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page at 6pr.com.au and click the Public Companies tab.